Here's how to use Apple Music Sing. Now, Apple Music has a cool new feature that basically allows you to have a karaoke within Apple Music so you can sing along to various songs, see the lyrics, all that stuff. I'll show you how to do it. Let's open up the Apple Music app here. I don't have a subscription. Keep in mind, for this feature to work, you need to have a paid Apple Music subscription. So I use Spotify instead, but I'll show you how it works. Basically, if you scroll down, you can see Sing right here. So I can tap on that. If you don't see it, just search for Sing in the search button at the very top. But you can see Apple Music Sing. It's your turn to be part of the music. Our feature gives you control to adjust the vocal volume on millions of different songs. So if you scroll down, it says how to use Apple Music Sing, and you can watch this little video. I don't have the subscription, but if you did, you watch a little video, it'll walk you through how it works. But beyond that, you can just scroll down and find some of these songs. So party anthems here, you can see there are a bunch of different songs. I Want It That Way by Backstreet Boys. Basically, you can just click on it and it'll allow you to sing into your iPhone or Android at the same time that basically it's playing the song. You'll be able to, see the lyrics. You'll be able to sing along as if it were a karaoke. So you can go through this entire list. You can choose different songs, party anthems. It's a fun way if you, of course, are at a party or you just want to interact with your music. It's kind of a karaoke feature within that Apple Music. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.